So, and
Thomas.
I'll go next.
Thomas, you're on mute.
Yeah.
Thomas, you're on mute.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Firstly, very privileged to be here with all of you. And I'm also on a tight schedule today because the timings have changed. But to begin with, I think the pandemic has totally changed life as we know it. You had virtually the whole planet Earth coming to a standstill for a few months. So one of the things that we've done, one is we've tried to communicate a lot with our teams. I lead a multi-country operations, 7 countries, almost 16,000 employees, and we've been communicating with people. So first is we wanted people to get comfortable with significant uncertainty and widespread ambiguity. It's not easy, but it's something which is going to be a critical skill going forward. I think we have pivoted and learned, and as we have gone along, and we've accepted that in the march towards getting some of the solutions right, we may make mistakes, and I think that's fine. But we need to learn to operate in the new normal. One of the things that we have kept foremost in our mind is the safety of our employees and their families. I think that's been the cornerstone of our approach towards managing ambiguity, managing the uncertainty, managing the mental illness issues, depression, and all that has gone with the pandemic, as we just heard from the earlier speaker. One of the things we have tried to do is to ensure that learning and development has taken a big fillip, and I think it has been incredible that thanks to the modern technology, thanks to latest IT connectivity, working from home has been seamlessly achieved across such a large business even like ours. And it's been incredible to see how people have shifted gears and started working as effectively and as seamlessly from home as they would do from the office. So definitely, as many people have said, the new world and the new normal will definitely be very different, and there will be enormous opportunities going ahead for new ways of life, for technological advances, and of course, huge role of digital in the coming years. One of the other things that we have said is that in the new normal, it's very important to be agile and to be quick to respond. And agility as a skill is something which we are trying to build. And resilience is something which is absolutely crucial in a situation like this. So working with hope and a lot of optimism and ensuring that mistakes will be made in the way going forward, and ensuring that our people remain resilient through these tough times are some of the things that we have tried to sort of promote. And very importantly, I think one of the things that happens in situations like this is the fact that people start over imagining, and I think that's something we should sort of try and address and mitigate, because it leads to a lot of anxiety and stress. And I think coming back to as normal an operation as is possible under the circumstances is crucial, while keeping safety of employees and their families and all their loved ones clearly in mind. So I think this is the way we've dealt with the pandemic, and I'm happy to say that in a matter of 6-7 months, we have bounced back almost across the world. And while we are not still back to pre-pandemic numbers in our businesses, but we are very confident that we will get there. And I think most importantly is the communications with our employees the assurances to our employees, the support to our employees in the current situation, that has helped keep the morale up and has also, in a sense, addressed a lot of anxieties of people. I think I cannot overemphasize the importance of, communication in a situation like this. So I think we've done reasonably well in managing the crisis, and of course we are also preparing very, very meticulously for the new normal ahead, where we feel that learning and development, reskilling of our employees, ensuring that people who have over-delivered during these periods are recognized and encouraged. So I think all these have been part and parcel of the initiatives that we have taken at my business in the Aditya Birla Group. I hope what I've said makes some sense.
Dali, you're muted.
Julius, I said, thank you, Thomas. Thank you, Julius. Thank you, Thomas. And I love the part, Thomas, where you said we'll all make mistakes. And, the new perfection is no perfection. So that's great.